Hello, welcome to this month's Musical You bass pack. This month we're talking about the distinction between major and minor. This can refer broadly to three different things. This is where musical theory terminology gets a little clumsy. We can be talking about intervals, chords, or keys / tonalities. But if we flatten the third, so we play the same triad shape, but with a minor third between the first and second notes of the chord, or the first and third notes of the scale, it becomes a C minor. So our first two chords in the key of C major, I'm jumping back up here to play those chords, is C major to D minor. Now in that context, the D minor doesn't actually sound all that sad. Because its presence is actually reinforcing the key rather than shifting from happy to sad. So there are two specific skills we're looking at here, one of which is about recognizing the sound of the chord, that happy-sad split, but the other is about learning the sequence so that we can anticipate which chord quality is likely over any given bass note in the key. So that if someone says to me they have a chord progression, or I'm playing a line and the bass player is moving from C to E to G to F, my start point is to make an educated guess that I'm going to be going from C major to E minor to G major to F major, because that's where they would fit in the sequence.